what's crazier than AI writing your essays? AI now builds your phone, packing it and shipping it, all without a single human in the room. Welcome to the future, folks, where factories don't clock in late, don't fake sick days, and definitely don't sneak extra bathroom breaks. Serious, this is not a sci-fi movie, this is happening right now in China. The first fully AI-operated factory is online. No people, no lights, just bots. Let's break down why this changes everything. Imagine walking into a factory and hearing nothing. No clanking, no coughing, no Chad from quality control blasting Bon Jovi. Just the sweet, eerie hum of machines doing everything. So, who had Skynet LED on their 2025 bingo card? Xiaomi, yeah, the company behind your budget smartphone, just unveiled a next-gen, fully AI-powered factory in Changping, China that runs with 0 human workers. None! Not even that one guy who's always on break. Thousands of AI-powered robot arms work in perfect sync, assembling, packaging, inspecting, with no smoke breaks and 0 water cooler gossip. And these bots don't just follow instructions, they learn. It's like ChatGPT was stuffed into a Terminator body, and now it's in charge of your assembly line. These factories, often called dark factories, run without any human intervention. And yes, the lights are literally off, because the machines don't need them. According to a detailed feature from Metrology News, fully autonomous dark smart factory runs 24/7 with no human intervention. Inside, AI systems manage everything. Quality checks, parts assembly, diagnostics, even packaging. No one sweats, no one forgets their badge. Think IKEA furniture that assembles itself, without starting an argument with your partner or losing the tiny wrench. Why is this happening in China first? Simple, labor shortage. Despite being a manufacturing powerhouse, China's population is aging. As the Financial Times explains, China is increasingly embracing automation and smart manufacturing to address labor shortages caused by its aging population. So rather than waiting for Gen Z to quit quietly or complain loudly, they're just replacing the workforce altogether. Serious, the US and Germany are now watching closely, because while we're busy arguing about return to office mandates, China just eliminated the office. According to Robotics and Automation, the US and Germany are now racing to deploy similar fully autonomous factories. Even Elon tweeted, "This is the future." Of course, he also tweets about making dog coins the currency of Mars. So take that with a grain of lithium.
Let's talk about jobs. These factories don't just replace a few workers, they erase entire departments. As per Forbes, dark factories will upend traditional employment models in the manufacturing sector. HR? Gone. Maintenance? Upgraded to firmware. Water cooler gossip? Digitized and deleted. But some silver lining. New jobs are emerging. AI ethicists, robot workflow engineers, and people who explain to robots why humans still matter. US doing? According to recent reports, multiple American companies are racing to build their own dark factories. But we're still in the PowerPoint stage, while China's robots are printing shipping labels. And you know who's sweating? Labor unions, economists, and every forklift driver in Ohio. But let's zoom out for a second. This isn't just about one high-tech factory in China. This is the opening scene of a global reshuffle. Companies in Japan, South Korea, and the UAE are quietly building similar setups. And not just for smartphones. We're talking about pharmaceuticals, semiconductors, even your next cup of instant noodles, all potentially made without a single sneeze from a human. Let's talk about the weird side of this revolution. One dark factory in South Korea reported its AI system halted production because it thought a spider crawling on a camera was a foreign object intrusion. So yeah, AI might replace humans, but it still can't deal with arachnophobia. But let's pull back for a second. How did we go from conveyor belts to conscious code running a factory? It's all thanks to something called closed-loop AI systems. In human terms, this means machines that not only do the job, but also monitor, correct, and optimize themselves in real time. Now, let's talk about the domino effect. If one fully autonomous factory can mass-produce smartphones, what stops it from churning out laptops, smartwatches, or electric cars? We're standing on the edge of an industrial plot twist. What steam did to the 1800s, AI might be doing right now, just with fewer top hats and more neural networks. And here's the thing, it's not just about speed, it's about perfection. These systems don't get tired, they don't drop screws, they don't zone out after lunch. Every movement is calculated. Every error? detected and corrected before it ever leaves the floor. It's like having a million perfectionists building your gadgets without the eye rolls. Now imagine the boardroom discussions happening behind closed doors. CEOs in $1,000 suits realizing they don't need to deal with turnover rates, onboarding programs, or mandatory fun Fridays. Just plug in the AI and go. Somewhere, an HR manager just felt a chill down their spine.
And while this sounds like a utopia for profit margins,
the ethics conversation just kicked in the door, like it's got something to say. Who's responsible when a fully autonomous factory messes up? The software dev? The company? The robot who swears it was just following the algorithm? Plus, think about data. These AI factories collect more analytics than your Fitbit, your phone, and your smart fridge combined. They know exactly what part failed, why, and how to fix it, all before you even hit return on that Amazon order. This kind of predictive power could make recalls a thing of the past. Or maybe it creates a future where machines auto-repair themselves mid-production. Haha, like a factory that heals like Wolverine. But here's the surprise twist. Not everything needs automation. Not yet. Some products still benefit from human touch, intuition, or, let's be honest, our ability to eyeball things when machines get too precise. Try telling a robot just a smidge left and getting 3.8 millimeters. Good luck with that. Still, the pressure is mounting. Companies that resist automation now may look as outdated as a Blockbuster in 2010. And for workers, reskilling isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's survival. The future isn't about beating robots. It's about learning to work with them, or at least making sure they don't replace your job while you're still trying to update your LinkedIn profile. Meanwhile, some startups are betting big on human plus factories, where AI handles the dirty, dull, and dangerous tasks, and humans step in for creativity, problem solving, and, not getting confused by spiders. But let's be real, the next few years are going to be messy. Expect strikes, expect debates, expect politicians who can't define AI making laws about it, but also expect innovation, new companies, new careers, new industries nobody's even imagined yet, like AI personality trainer or robotic sarcasm detector. Okay, maybe not that one. Yet. And finally, let's not pretend AI factories are just tools. They're a mirror, reflecting exactly what we value: speed, efficiency, perfection, but also the cost of losing the human factor. Maybe the real question isn't whether factories need us, but whether we're ready to live in a world where they don't. We built machines to make life easier, and now they build without us. One by one, the lights go off, not because we failed, but because we forgot to ask where we fit in. This isn't just the rise of AI, it's the quiet fading of human hands. The question is, when the last human leaves the dark factory, will we still have purpose? Or will history remember us as the species that...